can you use denatured alcohol, vinegar, or other solvents to remove caulk residue? Rubbing alcohol is the preferred solvent for most caulk cleanup because it dissolves uncured and some cured silicone and cuts through latex and acrylic residues without leaving a greasy film. If you do not have rubbing alcohol, denatured alcohol can be effective on many types of caulk, but test a small hidden area first because it can soften or discolor some plastics, painted surfaces, and finishes. White vinegar will help break down freshwater-based caulk and remove mineral deposits, but it is not effective on silicone-based caulk because silicone resists acids and will remain tacky. For stubborn silicone, use a dedicated silicone remover or a solvent labeled for silicone removal and follow product directions, including adequate ventilation and gloves. Mechanical removal with a plastic scraper or a razor held at a low angle works well after the solvent has softened the residue. Work slowly to avoid gouging the substrate and wipe frequently with clean cloths. Always clean the surface with a mild detergent and water after solvent use, then dry thoroughly before applying new caulk to ensure proper adhesion. People often lean on vinegar expecting it to remove silicone and find the residue stays tacky, so try a small test patch and switch to a silicone-specific remover if it fails. A second common mistake is aggressive scraping on finished surfaces, which causes scratches and increases repair work. So soften first and use a plastic tool or a razor at a shallow angle, and stop if the surface shows damage. The third issue is ignoring ventilation and skin protection when using denatured alcohol or commercial removers, which can cause irritation and dizziness. So open windows, use a fan, wear nitrile gloves, and avoid breathing fumes. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides practical project resources related to caulk removal and other home maintenance tasks. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and find work opportunities.